Dear learners, lamsagono no hai no hai. Dinini lesson number 5. Dinini lesson of the life nai. Sini daily life chikon the vocabulary rock use clear. Abo hai no use clear sentence. Simply, you tell me. Nung anushadu. I have told you. I have told you means angnono shajakno. Ebakeba angnono shaka. Told you. Told means sajak. Ekeba shaka. Tell hingkai present tense. Told hingkai tell nino past tense. Tell hingkai shao. Told hingkai sajak. Ebakeba shaka. Raikachak will tell him. That means Raikachak bono shawana. Raikosham will tell her. Raikosham bono shawana. You saw us. Nung jingno phonogde. Saw means phonogde. We shall show you. Jung norok no phonognai. We means jung. Show you means norok no phonognai. She has shown them. Bo borok no phonuka. Robbie has seen Raki. Robbie has seen Raki means Robbie Raki no nukha. Has seen mean nukha. Shabno nuk. Raki no nubu. Shabno Robbie. They know us. Borok jeng no shinewo. No means shinewo bongo shaimano bongo. Pia borok ngenge bini exam meaning nai shinewo. They know us. Borok jeng no shinewo. They means borok. No shinewo. Us nge jeng no. We know them. Jeng borok no shinewo. We means jeng. Them means borok no. No nge shinewo. Whom do you want? Nung shabono naitu. Whom means sabono. Which is your bob? Nini bijab bobo. Ebakeba bobo nini bijab. Which means bobo. Where is your bob? Where means bojaga nini bijab. Who is your teacher? Nini teacher shabo. Ebakeba shabo nini teacher. Who means shabo.